it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for a hand sanitizer that isn't going to make you sick from its smell every time you use it, then you need to check out this On Guard Sanitizing Mist from doTERRA. I've been using this spray for several years, and I've really come to rely on its effectiveness. It is 99.9% effective against the most common germs. It smells so good. It has really nice overtones of clove and cinnamon and peppermint. I often put this on in a group, and then I have people ask, what is that smell? Because they love it so much. The other thing I love about this is that it is actually moisturizing and doesn't dry out your skin. That's really important to me because I do battle dry skin in general, but this does not do that, and so I really love it. Of course, the size is convenient. It fits easily into a purse or a pocket, and you can just pull it out and spray it at any time. This is a really great product. I love it, and that's my point of view.